Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and here we have a Ford Kuga. Original radio's fine, but doesn't cut it with modern technology. So what have we done today? Here we have a KENWOOD 7722DAB, which has now got wireless Apple CarPlay, plus a lead if you need to charge if your phone's down. It will also do Android and DAB, steering wheel controls connected, and it's brought this old Kuga back to a modern vehicle. So job done. Now if you want anything like this, we can install. We've got budget, middle and top of the range stuff. We're based in Cardiff. Our telephone number is 02920 707 275. By buying it from us and not the internet would mean you would buy it, come to us, we charge you to install. Any problems, they're your problems, which you have to then deal with websites. This one here now is fitted by us, and you get a 3-year warranty, non-quibble. Any problems, we will sort it out. Okay, get in touch with us. We're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. Thank you very much.